My name is Typhoon, and in this lecture you will learn and understand the lab overview and its technologies. You will learn how to set up hypervisor and virtually isolated networks. You will also set up and work with Kali Linux. You will also learn how to install Metasploitable 2 and Metasploitable 3. The first is target as a target and Metasploitable 3 as a vagrant. So you will also learn the vulnerable web application systems. So let's get started. As a feature ethical hacker or penetration tester, it's quite important when testing exploits, payloads, or practicing your hacking skills that you do not disrupt or cause any sort of harm or damage to another person's system or network infrastructure, such as that of your organization. While there are many tutorials, videos, and training programs you can read, watch, and to gain knowledge, working in the field of penetration testing means focuses on continuously enhancing your skills. Many people can speak about hacking and explain the methodology quite clearly, but don't know how to perform an attack. So when learning about penetration testing, it's very important to understand the theory and how to use your skills to apply them to a real-world cyber attack. In this section of our auxiliary course, you will learn how to design and create your penetration testing lab environment and on your existing computer using virtualization technologies. You will learn how to create a virtual isolated network to ensure you do not accidentally attack systems that you do not own. So then you will learn how to set up Kali Linux as an attacker system and vulnerable clients and servers as your targets. So practicing your hacking skills on systems and networks that you do not own is an intrusive and illegal because it can cause harm and damage to those systems.